Hey there, welcome to the Nutrient Gateway. Today, we're tackling a huge frustration, nutrient stagnation.
You know that feeling? Eating perfectly, taking pricey supplements, but your body just isn't absorbing the fuel? Think of your cell membranes as high-security gates. The problem? Environmental toxins literally gum up the locks.
This sticky lock means vital nutrients can't enter your cellular power plant, causing total nutrient stagnation. So the fix? Vilavi T8 stone, pronounced Vilavi. It uses this powerful SibXP complex from brown coal.
It's packed with humic and fulvic acids. These act as natural chelators to actually unjam those gates.
By optimizing that cellular permeability, they swing the gates wide open, flooding your cells with optimal fuel.
Now the protocol is super specific. Just dissolve exactly 1 milliliter into 250 milliliters of bottled water.
Listen, this is absolutely crucial. Use bottled water exclusively for this. No regular tap water at all.
You're going to drink this mixture exactly twice daily. Once right after breakfast and again right before bedtime.
Stick to this routine, and that sticky lock is totally resolved, creating a permanent fix for your cells.
So, are you ready to finally unjam those locks and unlock your true physical growth potential?